let me tell you just the kind of computer user I am. When I got mIRC, the very first thing I did was try out its built-in scripting language before I ever made a single post in it. It's exactly the kind of thing I do. I'm going to be reviewing the scripting language because I've been using it for a while now. I basically used it to script the appearance of this. I have names with voice have pluses in them, and ops have @ signs, and they're color coded. And you cannot do this without writing a script. There's colors in here, but that doesn't work that way. So, how good is the scripting language? Very difficult to read. Basically what the mIRC scripting language is used for, one, like I have done, you can use it to script appearance. Two, you can use it to automatically reply to people, and to this is something I have set up. We are going to connect. No, that's not my main nickname. Boo! Wait. Oh, that nick is registered. I'm not putting my password in here. Let's change the nick to random nick that isn't reg. Join Lord Cat. No, we're not going to do that. Prepare, Michael. You should do these things beforehand. So, let's say my name, shall we? And it gets logged. So, yeah, you could do things like that. So basically automatically reply to things. The problem with this is, well, just look at it. I have things replying to each event. You can write functions. Where are some functions? Oh, are they all in? No, they're not in aliases. Oh, right here. Here are examples of functions that you can use in other commands. I use these to generate that. This can be used similarly. What I made these are similar to the color command that let you select a color to use for something according to the name in here or the number. And I use these a lot. It has a built-in. Oh, this is terrible. I can't believe I'm going to enable this on YouTube. Anybody there? Anybody there? Come on. Yeah. I'm going to turn that off before it gets a chance to work again. And we are moving on. There's some things you can't overwrite with this, though, and I'm really annoyed when I connect. Oh, I could overwrite. I never overwrite those. But some things you can't overwrite, and it's so frustrating. Can't overwrite those. But so far, it's a terrible language, and while I put in my password, you don't need to see it. It's a terrible language, but it can do a lot, and let me show you what I mean. This is an example of a bot written by a certain white cat. And as you can see, this cat... Oh crap. No, don't log me out. There we go. Put in the right password this time. This bot is using... I have to do it again. Version... mIRC. Now let me show you some of the things that this bot can do. Nah, we don't need I don't need to tell what I'm doing. She has a dice roller. She can... let's get a YouTube video here. You're gonna hate me for this. Or maybe you will love me. I thought I opened this on YouTube before. Like I said, it's unprepared. This is completely unprepared. Oh my god, it never ends! She can preload HTTP. She can preload web pages like YouTube videos and check out their title. She can use tinyURL. She can even use the preview feature of tinyURL. She can moderate channels, which I'm... nah. And there's my other, so one of my other EVA testing buddies. So yeah, she can do a lot, but she can't unban. That doesn't mean a script couldn't be written to do that, of course, though. So yeah, mIRC scripts, they can do a lot. Although I think honestly, the preloading HTML links is, or the loading YouTube videos and stuff like that, I can't find any commands to do that. So what I honestly think he's doing in those cases is writing his own programs and doing that. But still, it has a function like that, so it's a powerful language if you can deal with the random spaces, random use of things like this. I have to do stuff like this just to combine strings together, and sometimes it adds spaces, sometimes it doesn't, and I have to be careful where I put spaces. It's a terrible language, and yet I figured I should end this with a more proper summary. Basically, my thoughts about mIRC's scripting language are very positive. In fact, overwhelmingly positive, because mIRC's scripting language is what makes mIRC more powerful than any other IRC client I have ever tried in the past. And it almost makes it worth the $20 that the software costs. It's still pretty expensive in my opinion, but you know, it's a powerful language. It basically lets mIRC have it lets you add any feature mIRC doesn't have. You could put it in mIRC with the scripting language, and for that reason and that reason alone, I love this language, and I love this program for having it. That said, it's a syntactical horror. You are not going to want to use it if you are not good at programming, or if you are used to compiled languages, because this is a scripting language at its finest. If you've never used a scripting language before, this will show you the horrors of scripting languages being run by an interpreter. Forgot to delete that before. Anyways, that's it.